March 25th, 2018, 5:50 p.m. We have polarized glasses, zoomed all the way out. Oh, there we go. Low flyer. Let's get a little sky view jumping off here. See what we can get. Alright, taking off the polarized. See how the sun is. Now we're going to try the welding glass. Alright, a little bit better, I believe. Let's pan around the other way. It's actually cleared up from the last post. Alright. And then we're going to look at it without. Go back around one more time without. This is with no filter. So it's going to be sun, sky view, polarized glasses, welding glass, no filter. And we were at March 25th, 2018 at 5:50 p.m. It is probably now 5:51 or 5:52. Alright, hopefully it stays kind of like this to where I can get the sun down. Alright, peace out.